Milan street fashion takes center stage as the fashion capital of Italy, showcases the latest autumn-winter trends for 2025. In this video, we take you on a stylish journey through the streets of Milan. In winter, Milan's fashionistas are embracing a mix of bold and timeless styles. Think oversized blazers, comfy knits, and sleek leather jackets, all perfectly paired with distressed denim, floor dresses, and statement boots. We also spotted a plethora of exciting trends including utility chic, functional details like pockets, buckles, zippers take some center stage. Soft romance, delicate hues, lace, and ruffles add a touch of femininity. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more fashion content. Comment below your favorite trend or style spot. Happy watching, and until next time, stay fashionable.